not be right that relation, but our solenoid is the proper methods in this topic. Now we discuss to the our another important topic, electric motor. What is electric motor? Electric motor is an instrument to work in the principle of torque relation. What is a torque? When the external force applied at any object is moved around their own axis, to like as socket of the door. When the door is closed and open, then the door is moved in the direction from the socket. इसके अलावा बच्चों फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे इस डस्टर को ले लीजिए और इस डस्टर को जब हम घुमाते हैं तो ये डस्टर एल्बो के चारों ओर ही घूम रहा है. दैट इज द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द मोमेंट ऑफ फोर्स. एंड द easier definition for the moment of force, when the external force applied at any object is the moved around their own axis, that is known as the torque or moment of force. First we draw the electric motor. That was generally diagram of the electric motor. That was the total circuit diagram of the electric motor. Electric motor is an instrument to change the electrical energy into form of mechanical energy. The principle of electric motor is an instrument to change the electrical energy into term of mechanical energy, and it is basically function at the principle of torque. Or moment of force. We know that what is the torque or moment of force? When the external force applied at any object is moved around their own axis, it is known as the torque or moment of force, and the mathematical relation tau is equal to vector F into D. जैसा कि बच्चों अगर एक पत्थर में किसी धागे की सहायता से उसको बांधकर उसका एक सिरा पत्थर को धागे में बांधें और दूसरा सिरा धागे का अंगुली में फंसाने के बाद अगर उसको हम लगातार इस सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट में घुमाते हैं तो हम ऑब्जर्व करते हैं कि वो पत्थर जो है इस अंगुली के चारों ओर घूम रहा. दैट इज़ द ईजियर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द टॉर्क. व्हेन वी ओपन आवर वाटर बॉटल, when we open, that was the direction of anti-clockwise, and when we closed our cap of the bottle we observe that clockwise. It is also example of the torque relation or torque moment. जैसा कि बच्चों अगर हम नल को खोलते हैं तो नल को खोलते समय एंटी क्लॉकवाइज और बंद करते समय क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन को फॉलो करते हैं. इट इज़ आल्सो एग्जाम्पल ऑफ द टॉर्क रिलेशन. आवर इलेक्ट्रिक मोटर इज एन इंस्ट्रूमेंट टू फंक्शन एट द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ टॉर्क. नाउ द अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट concept for the construction first armature. What is armature? It is a rectangular metallic structure ABCD and it will be mounted with the laminated copper wire. When the current developed in device, then the electromagnet is behave as the armature and we try to move the electric motor in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Now, the another main part of our electric motor is cylindrical rod. A PQ cylindrical rod, one end is connected from armature and another end is connected with help of two split ring X and Y or two spherical curve X and Y. When the current developed in device, then cylindrical rod is moved circular direction, but it will be open and closed by the split ring. Now the third important part of the electric motor is split ring. What is the split ring? A XY split ring is connected with help of the cylindrical rod. When the current developed in the device, then by and by split ring is open and closed. If the current flowing clockwise device, then split ring X is open, then current move 50 cycle clockwise. If current moved in anti-clockwise direction, then X will be closed and Y will be open, then current will flow in the 50 cycle anti-clockwise direction. Now the working is an important topic of the electric motor working. It is a work in the principle of the torque relation. When the current developed in device clockwise and anti-clockwise direction, then spherical curve X and Y is open and closed and it will be moved at the circular rate. That was the mathematical relation. Tau is equal to NIAB sin theta. That was the mathematical relation for the working. N, that was the capital, here it was the number of turns per unit length or number of turns. I is current, A is area, B is magnetic field. Then it will be moved in the clock and anti-clockwise direction and it will be